was thrilled to have freezedna come to our school. Jermaine was so great with the kids. He worked with them and showed them step by step what to do and how to draw, and the students were really engaged in what they were doing. And it also tied in really well with African Heritage Month. So I'd like to thank them for coming to our school. Overall, we had a really positive experience from the staff and the students are so excited about drawing and reading. So thank you very much for coming to our school. And also they donated 220 books, which was amazing. So thank you very much.
Are you ready, kids?
I had Anthony from freezedna come to West Rouge, and I was very impressed with what he was able to do with the students. And the kids did an awesome job. They were confident in what they were drawing, and when they were finished, the pieces that they made looked amazing. Thank you to TDSB for their support of freezedna, has allowed our students the opportunity to develop and enhance their artistic side.